Old school jail, show up, we show off. We got the cops called for us, revving up the exhaust.
How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's Camaro Crazy coming back at you with another little vlog of Project Z. As y'all can tell, I already got the coil packs off of the car. This is the easiest way I've seen to getting access to the header bolts, which are right here. As y'all can see, these are pretty much old school junk long tubes that the previous owner had before I did. I already got the coil packs off of it on both sides. And you pop the dipstick tube off of this side. In my opinion, it makes it 10 times easier to get to it. I know everybody else has their own opinion, but to me, that was the easiest way to get to them. And I went ahead already and checked all the bolts, try to break them loose to see if they went loose or not. And they did, surprisingly. I've been wetting them down through the week because I knew I was going to do this weekend. And the next step is taking all the spark plug wires out, spark plugs out. I've got all of them loose on this side. I believe that it's probably going to be a little bit harder to get them out on this side, but we'll get them. I think that rear one's probably going to be the hardest to get to, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can just sneak back there and get them. But I'll go ahead and put the head strap on my head and go ahead and get these plugs out. Alright everybody, so as you can see, they're pretty much out. The only thing I'm doing now is I jacked the rear end up already. As y'all can tell, the rear end's up. There is a bar that needs to go in place to run the trill duals on these cars that I bought from Speed Engineering. Shout out to them, thank you for the hookup for that. But all it is 3 little 15mm bolts here, and then it's an 18mm bolt right here. This bar comes out. As y'all can see, I'm letting the rear just kind of settle here, so maybe it'll be a little bit easier coming out. And then the Speed Engineering panhard bar goes in place. So I will see y'all in a minute. Alright everybody, as you can see, the old panhard bar is out. One thing I will warn y'all about: when you put this bar in, it does not come with new hardware. It requires 3 bolts for this relocation bracket here. So you're going to have to get a bolt. What I used was a 3/4 headed bolt. That's a little bit longer. As y'all can see on the back side, it's just a little bit longer. Just so it was a little bit easier going through, and it'll hold the sway bar and the panhard bar tight. So if you're looking to get this kit, just make sure you get another extra bolt. But other than that, looks pretty good. Alright everybody, so here's the progress. The side header's out. Oh damn, light's breaking. This old one, old junk one. As you can see, I had to take the steering column out of the way, but other than that, it was a pretty simple process. It's not that bad. I got me some like emery cloth here, Scotch brake pad. Gonna wipe the side of the head down to get it back shiny again before I put the new gasket up. What did I do with the gasket? Here's the old gasket, and that tick that y'all were hearing. That's the problem right there. Whoever put long tubes on it before didn't really know what they were doing, and it burnt number 7 cylinder out. But yep, we'll update y'all as we go along. And go ahead and slide these TSPs up here. Already got this side loose. I'm just taking that back bolt out, and we're gonna go ahead and drop her. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, got the exhaust on with Dad's help. It comes out. That's cute. It comes out into quad tips, as y'all can see. Up over the axle, true to old 3-inch. And then we'll go up here into Texas Speed 1 7/8. I posted a sound clip of it idling and revving, and then now we're going to take it down the road. But I hope y'all enjoyed. This was a bitch, so yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this. But that's all I got for you today, ladies and gents. As y'all can tell, you just saw it go down the road. I think it sounds pretty good. I think Speed Engineering is a very good product, as well as the Texas Speed headers. But I will warn y'all about something. One more thing. I've got this light back on. These headers are easy install passenger side, but driver side, I've read a whole bunch of shit on the forums about how you got to take the motor mount out, the steering shaft out. I did have to take the steering shaft out, but what I actually did was got the car at a vertical angle, and we beat the bottom of the floor just a little bit. We kind of like smoothed it out and rounded it out, and the slitter actually slid right in place. Got my ARP hardware bolts. I mean, she's all ready to go. Unfortunately, the DMV here in Virginia is not open till May 11th, so I can't go get it tagged right now. But other than that, she's pretty well done, besides little peddly stuff like the front bumper, get my inner fender wells back in it. And yeah, that's really about it. She sounds really good. The motor, I mean, start for y'all one last time because I like the way it sounds. No more ticking, no more nothing. I mean, the motor is just as smooth as it can be. It's got a very good idle. Sounds really good. I really like it. Great quality product. I really like it. But that's all for me, ladies and gentlemen. I hope y'all enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching. If you like Project Z, if you think it was a good video, please like, comment, subscribe. You know the whole ordeal. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.